Super Typhoon Ragasa has unleashed devastating consequences across Taiwan and Hong Kong. In eastern Taiwan, a catastrophic burst of a barrier lake in Hualien County has resulted in 14 confirmed fatalities, with a staggering 124 individuals reported missing. Authorities state most of the deceased were elderly residents unable to escape the rapidly rising floodwaters. Video evidence depicts the immense power of the storm, showing vehicles being swept away and a bridge collapsing. Heavy rainfall, with some areas receiving over 700 millimeters, exacerbated the flooding. Meanwhile, Hong Kong experienced the typhoon's fury with fierce winds and towering waves. The city issued its highest T10 typhoon warning, anticipating potential landslides. Winds reached sustained speeds of over 150 kilometers per hour, with gusts exceeding 180 kilometers per hour. Life across the southern Chinese coast ground to a halt as the storm prompted the cancellation of over 700 flights and led to the relocation of more than 1 million people in Guangdong province as a precautionary measure. If you like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, News Today.